You agree with this?
नो ते हे आता सांगता ते ईदाचे तेतून हांव चडशे हितून वचना हांव कितें म्हणटा आमकां आतां तुमी शॉर्टेज विचारले न्हू
हय
आतां जे प्रमाणे आतां फाटले तुमकां ते सांगले आतां परत थंयसर इलिगलिटी जाले म्हणून ते स्टॉप केले आणि परत आमी आतां लायव्ह जानवर लायव्ह जे हाडून आमी आतां गोवा मीट कॉम्प्लेक्सान स्टार्ट केला आमी आतां आमी फर्स्ट कन्साइनमेंट हाडलो 24 सेकंड हाडलो 36 आयज जे हाडला 48 हांव आतां दनपारा 12:30 पर्यंत थंयसर आसा थंयसर आतां कितें आहा आतां चेअरमॅनाची ड्युटी आसता मेन म्हणजे गोवा मीट कॉम्प्लेक्साक पळोवपाची कितें आहा कितें थंयसर ना आनी MD आमचो गोवा मीट कॉम्प्लेक्साचो MD आहा तेंची ड्युटी आसता आतां 3-4 दीस जाले आमी लोकल ट्रेडर्स सफर करता जे रुल्सा प्रमाणे जे हाडपाचे आहा ते विथ लिगल प्रमाणे हाडटा आणि हे जे बैल हाडटा न्हू सर ते सांजच्या टायमार कुलिंग टायमाचेर आमी हाडटा म्हणजे थंयसर सांजचे 7 आमी ते भरता आणि हिंगा 9-10 पर्यंत आमी हिंगा येता खंय गोवा मीट कॉम्प्लेक्सात हेंच्यांनी थंयसर अरेंजमेंट करूंक ना एनिमल हजबंड्रीचो थंयसर एक सेक्युरिटी दवरपाचो आणि ते बैल आहा न्हू येता बरोबर ते भितर घेवन डॉकाचेर तांकां उदक आणि फिडींग दिवपाची ते थंयसर जायना ते हे 9 सकाळी येता हांव कितें म्हणटा वेटनरी दोतोर 9 येवन दी पूण थंयसर एक सेक्युरिटी दवरा आणि व्हेकल येता बरोबर त्यांचे डॉक्युमेंट पळया आणि भितर हे घेना आतां 3 दीस जाले
तुमकां म्हणटात गोवा मीट कॉम्प्लेक्सान ज्यो तुमकां फॅसिलिटीज प्रोवायड करपाक जाय ते तुमकां मेळनात
आणि चेअरमन सुद्धा एक फाटी सुद्धा थंयसर येवंक ना
ओके चेअरमॅन आयला
These are the allegations now. He was saying that no allegations were there. Now he has
okay let Lyndon reply.
As far as the animals coming, see, please understand, Goa Meat Complex role comes only after the anti-mortem is done. Let me, tu uloyla, maka uloyndi. Anti-mortem jatokuch Goa Meat Complexacho role येता. Goa Meat Complexan तूं जर येवन पळयशी दोन डिव्हिजन आसा. एक डिव्हिजन डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एनिमल हजबंड्रीचो आणि जे मेरेन एनिमल हजबंड्रीचो डिपार्टमेंट क्लियर करिना ते मेरेन मीट कॉम्प्लेक्सान ते एनिमल भितर येना ताका डिनाय करून दी हांव फुट सांगता जाल्यार
ताका लागून एनिमल हजबंड्रीचो मनीस ना थंयसर
सो चेअरमॅन कित्याक जाय थिंगा येवन पळोवपाक एनिमल हजबंड्रीचो डिपार्टमेंटाक म्हाका चेअरमॅनाक कांयच ना एनिमल हजबंड्री
डायरेक्टर हांवें सांगलें न्हू मॅनेजिंग डायरेक्टर MD गोवा मीट कॉम्प्लेक्साचो आनी एनिमल हजबंड्रीचो डायरेक्टर आसा
it is a coincidence that the managing director of the meat complex also happens to be the director of animal husbandry. But these are two distinct and well defined roles. What he is telling that there is no facility as far as the after the arrival of animals is concerned. Again, I will say it is not even the fault of the Department of Animal Husbandry. I will tell you why. Because there is a clear order from the High Court that when the animal is being offloaded from the vehicle in which they come, it is the duty of the competent authority, that is the doctor of the veterinary department, to ensure that they have brought it as per the rules laid down under the Cruelty to Animals Act.
Lino, what is this? This is becoming a table tennis between government departments.
No, it is not becoming a table tennis.
Between government departments.
No, it is not. See, please understand.
Food and watering. जेन्ना बैल येता जर्नीसून येता न्हू आता समज कर्नाटकासान गोंया येता न्हू इमिजिएटली थंयसर ते डॉकाचेर देवंक जाय आनी जर्नीसान येता बरोबर थंयसर ताका उदीक आनी गवत दिवंक जाय हे कोण करूंक जाय हेजेर बरयल्या
उदकूय दिना आनी फॉर्डरूय दिना
बरयल्या ते हेजे काम एनिमल हजबंड्रीचो
ऐकून घे एनिमल कोणाचो
एनिमल आमचो
एनिमलाक फीड करपाचें काम कोणाचें देर इज फॅसिलिटी देअर फॉर वॉटरिंग देर इज अ शेड What he is telling is not correct. That animal is being kept.
माझ्या तोंडान कितें उलयना पळय हिंगासर बरयल्ले आहा
ना ते कितें बरयल्लें आसूं
हे कितें बरयलां
ते कितें बरयल्लें आसूं
हे माझे बरयल्लें ना हे 2001
हे एनिमल हजबंड्रीची ऑर्डर
आहा
ओके बरें लिंडन या
2001 ची आसूं एनिमल हजबंड्रीची ऑर्डर की एनिमल प्रिजर्वेशन एक्ट 1995 आसूं
कितें बरयला तेसून की जानवर येतकूच पयलीं फर्स्ट तुमी भितर घेवपाचें
बट एक्झॅक्टली
मागीर तेजे प्रोसिजर
एक्झॅक्टली बट in compliance to these acts, both these and rules of 2001, what he is quoting, on 26th of April 2013, Honorable High Court, Goa Bench, has passed certain directives,
guidelines,
directives, not guidelines, sorry, directives to the government of Goa and to the meat complex. We have to, that petition, we are still before the Honorable High Court. Unless the Honorable High Court modifies these guidelines or these orders or directives, or a superior court sets them aside, we are bound to
follow the directive.
Follow
Okay.
the directive.
All three are there before the High Court.
All three are there before the High
All
Court.
three
Yes.
are.
All three of you are there.
Yes, but Honorable High Court till date has not modified one of the conditions of the Honorable High Court in that last order of theirs of April, which I am talking, is that after the animal is brought there, it is the duty of the competent authority to ensure that he has to check whether animal is brought.
Very for everybody to
That's why
understand.
the animal husbandryचो हेच MD थंय कित्याक आसता दोन्ही ताका कित्याक जॉब दिल्या ते त्या लागून
that you have to ask the government.
that is
हांव कितें म्हणटा जाणा सर
No, that you have to ask the government. That as a chairman of Goa Meat Complex, I am answerable to the only as far as the corporate.
yes, absolutely correct. Only the
Kayal,
MD
Baksan,
is
what is
answerable.
happening? What is happening? This is becoming table tennis between government departments.
तांकां ते करपाचे जर आशिल्ले सगळे जाण मेळून बसून करपाचे न्ही सर तांकां कोणाक करपाचेच ना तुम्ही जर तुमकां जाय तेन्ना तुम्ही फूड अँड ड्रग्सा कडेन वतात जाय तेन्ना 3 महिन्याचे नासतानाय लायसन खंय खंय वचून तुम्ही घेतात लायसन आतां तांकां ना 3 महिने तरी घेता म्हणून आमकां वी हॅव टू गो टू द कोर्ट दॅट्स वाय आमी कितें म्हणटा तुम्ही रुलान वचा वी हॅव नो ऑब्जेक्शन तुमकां फूड अँड ड्रग्स
रूल कोण चुकयता
आता
मत कितें
आता तुका जर फुडलें आयकपाचें हा लेट मी कम टू दॅट नाव
Yeah.
रूल हू इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर
Correct. Who is defaulting the rules?
Yes, who is responsible for this meat shortage?
Right.
Because fingers are, see, you must understand when one finger is being
Now,
pointed out.
now the whole thing is coming onto the government. So now government will be blamed for this.
No, I am not blaming the
no,
government.
no,
The matter is in High Court. No one can blame anyone. The matter is in High Court.
Okay.
It
Who
will
is-
be decided
who is
why the
responsible for
government is
shortage?
not-
हांव कितें
No,
म्हणटा
all the-
जाणा
See, let me explain.
Yes, who is responsible for shortage?
And if you want me to explain, give me 5 minutes. I need to explain
Quickly.
so that people understand
Yeah,
the correct
quickly.
fact.
Yeah.
In 2013, after this order was passed by the Honorable High Court, slaughtering began there. They started, as usual, bringing animals there.
Correct.
So, some representatives of the NGO started creating problems. As he has said earlier, that the animal that was cleared by the competent authority, the representative of the NGO started disputing. So, after that, there used to be a commotion. Many a times they would even call the police and try to intimidate the competent authority. Subsequently, the competent authority filed a report to the Goa Meat Complex, and the Goa Meat Complex, in the form of an affidavit, has filed this report before the Honorable High Court. Okay. That petition is not yet disposed of by the Honorable High Court.
What is your opinion? The NGOs are responsible
I am
for
coming to
stretching
that.
this beyond the level.
I am coming to that. I am coming to that. Let us simply not point out fingers to just anybody. Let us, people of Goa should understand this precisely, and that is the reason why I am here upon your invitation. Thereafter, moment the NGOs started creating a commotion, and the veterinary officer was unable to discharge his duties properly, this issue was brought to the notice of the Honorable High Court. Subsequently, because they were facing problem, they stopped getting animals to the Goa Meat Complex. Let him deny if what I am saying is, they stopped getting.
Right.
So at that time in May 2013, there was a big problem. Again, what we are facing now was again faced in 2013 in the month of May during the festive season. So when this happened, we decided that we have to find a way out. The government decided, when I say we, the government of Goa decided that there has to be a way out. The then Honorable Chief Minister convened a meeting, and Honorable Chief Minister said that at any cost, beef consumption should not stop in the state of Goa, because it is the legitimate right of the people of Goa, and beef consumption should be resumed. So we had a meeting with the Qureshi Traders Association, and we requested them to bring the animals. They began to tell us that when they are bringing their animals, their trucks are being stopped by certain individuals. I will not name anybody, but they began to complain to us that their trucks are being stopped by certain individual on the Karnataka side, not inside Goa, half a kilometer or 1 kilometer into Karnataka. The drivers of the trucks are being beaten up, and the drivers are forced to open the carriage behind, where the animals are, put behind, and after opening the carriage, the animals would be let loose into the jungles. And they say that this has happened a couple of times, and because of which they have incurred big losses, and they stopped getting the animals. Let him say no if what I am saying is
ही
right.
गजाल झाल्या काशनाथ बाब that there is a little over
कर्नाटका
enthusiasm.
साइड म्हणले ताणे डायरेक्ट ताणे कर्नाटका साइड आमच्या साइडीक कोण कर्नाटकाचे कोण थंय पयशांक रावता ताणी केले आसतले. You should complain to the police. There are police authorities. Karnataka
NGOs from Goa are not responsible.
for this.
Not responsible.
आता हांव कितें म्हणटा म्हाका एक 5 मिनटां द्या.
हय क्विकली
जाले आता हेंचे जाले न्हू.
हय सांग.
म्हणजे
आता
सोपूंक ना,
ना
मागीर
ना
सांगता
म्हणजे
तेव्हा.
आता ते हे झाले म्हणून ते स्टॉप झाले. आता कितें जालें रुल्सा प्रमाणे आमी आता बैल हाडटा.
म्हणजे सोपूंक ना.
हा बैल हाडटा न्हू तर आमकां गोवा मीट कॉम्प्लेक्साचे मॅनेजमेंटाचे एनिमल हजबंड्री आसूं या गोवा मीट कॉम्प्लेक्स आसूं आमकां सपोर्ट मेळना.
मेळना.
एनिमल हजबंड्री
NGO चे काय ना आता. आता तो ते मॅनेजमेंटाच्या उद्देशान उलयता.
कित्याक गोवा शॉर्टेज गोवा बीफ शॉर्टेज म्हणून तुमी विचारता न्हू.
हय.
सपोज आमकां फॅसिलिटी मेळत जाल्यार डेली आयज 50 जानवर थंयसर हाडले आमी. हांव दनपारा पर्यंत आसलो कितले जानवरां एंटीमोटम जाला 18. एकूच दोतोर दवरला एंटीमोटमाक. कोण एनिमल हजबंड्रीचो हेंचो ना हेंचो रोल ना. चल हेंचो सांगा ना हेंचो रोल मागीर
तुम्ही
सांगता.
म्हणटात की
एक मिनिट.
गव्हर्नमेंटाच्या
सर, तोच एमडी न्हय तोच आता पळय आता तोच एमडी न्हय गोवा मीट कॉम्प्लेक्साचो.
बरं
MD जरी तर तोच झालो.
एनिमल हजबंड्री
ड्युअल रोल जो आसा त्या
ना,
लागून
ना, please
बाय
understand.
डिफॉल्ट म्हणून ताका एमडी कित्याक दवरला ताणी सिंक्रोनाइज करून जाय दोन
Let me
लेवल.
explain.
म्हाका मातशें
I will-
बघ द्या.
no, no,
हय
no.
क्विकली
No, 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 I will explain this
दोन
point.
दोतोर
No, no,
थंयसर
let
दवरूंक
us-
जाय एनिमल
You
हजबंड्री.
are saying-
फटाफट जातले
दोन
थंयसर.
धरून जायना.
Okay,
दोन
okay.
धरून जायना.
लिंडन क्विकली या.
ना, ना,
आणि
दोन
हे
धरून-
एनिमल हजबंड्रीचे तुमचो रोल न्हू एनिमल
ना, 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 पण
हजबंड्री
हांव explain
ओके
करता.
ओके लेट हिम फिनिश.
गोवा मीट कॉम्प्लेक्साचे कितें रोल आहा ते सांगता
हय.
तुमकां. गोवा मीट कॉम्प्लेक्स हे सांगता न्हू स्लॉटर करपाचे. स्लॉटर हेंचे टायमाचेर जायना एक जाले भितर जातकूच. थंयसर तेज्या पयलीं थंयसर आमी 1982 सान थंयसर करता. आतां चेअरमनूय जायते येवन गेले थंयसर आनी मॅनेजिंग डायरेक्टरूय जायते येवन गेले. आमी थंयसरूच आसा. कळ्ळें न्हू. आमी कितें सांगता गोंयचे लोकांक थंयसर आमकां पयलीं जे फॅसिलिटी मेळटाली आतां थंय मेळना.
ती सुद्दां कमी जाल्या.
नंबर 1
हां.
जेन्ना बैल मारतकूच थंयसर 4 पीस आमकां गाडयेन घालून येताले. थंयसरले जे वेस्ट आहा ते थंयसर डंप करताले. तेंचे स्कीन आसा थंयसर ते सायड बाय सायड एक हे आसतालो गुडाव थंय सॉल्टिंग करून थंयसरूच लावपाचें थंयसर दवरपाचें आनी त्या टायमार आमी ते व्हरूंक जाय आसले. आतां कितें करपाक लागला हेंच्यांनी ते स्लॉटर जातकूच ते स्कीन बी तुमी व्हरा. ते आमी आतां पॉल्युशन बोर्ड आहा सगळे आमी घरा कडेन ते स्कीन खंय व्हरून दवरपाचें हे एक ऑब्जेक्शन.
मग फायनल एक गजाल सांग. अल्टिमेटली हांगा
No, no, no,
गव्हर्नमेंटान जर
no, no,
पुश
no,
केले.
let me clarify.
Okay, yeah, that's
I
what
have
I'm
to
saying.
clarify. No, no.
I
he is
want a
misguiding.
concrete assurance
no, no,
from you.
No assurance. Let me
No
first
assurance.
clarify.
Okay.
No. Let
Okay.
me clarify.
Right.
What he is telling, he is misguiding. Yes, they were keeping their skin, hide of the animal there.
पयलीं दवरताले आमी
पहिले करताले.
हय
तुम्ही सॉल्टिंग करताले.
हय.
Today, Pollution Control Board is very strict. Pollution norms are very strict.
Yes.
Processing of hide comes in the red category. It cannot be kept. It cannot be kept where food industry is there. Such activities cannot take place. So there is serious objection from the Pollution Control Board.
मागे हे कन्फ्युजन सॉर्ट आउट करपाक कॅन गोवा मीट कॉम्प्लेक्स टेक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी अँड कोऑर्डिनेट एवरीथिंग.
See, the problem here is.
म्हाका लास्ट इतलेंच सांगा.
No. Maka, you'll have to please give me time because he has spoken a lot, and these are all